Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your membership with Costco. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To verify your Costco membership, start by visiting the official Costco website. On the home page, locate the Sign In button at the top right corner. Click on the Sign In button to enter your account credentials. If you already have an online account, enter your email address and password. If you don't have an online account, click on the Create Account option. Follow the prompts to create a new account using your membership details. Once logged in, look for the Account Details or Membership Information section. In this section, you should see the status of your membership. If your membership is active, it will indicate the expiration date. If you encounter any issues logging in, try resetting your password. To reset your password, click on the Forgot Password link on the sign-in page. Follow the instructions sent to your email to reset your password. If you still can't access your account, consider contacting Costco customer service. Customer service can assist with any membership verification issues. To contact them, scroll to the bottom of the homepage and find the Help section. Choose Contact Us for various options including phone and live chat support. Once your membership is verified, you can enjoy all the benefits that come with it. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.